Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla today chaired a meeting at Raj Bhavan, Imphal and comprehensively reviewed the progress of ongoing national highway projects. According to a press release, Executive Director of National Highways and Infrastructure Development Cooperation Limited, in short NHIDCL, MS Deval briefed about the current status of various national highway projects being taken up in different parts of the state, besides highlighting key challenges affecting project execution during the review meeting. It added that the governor directed the officials concerned to take a necessary measure to address the challenges to ensure that the projects are completed in time. CRPF IG Rajendra Narayan Das, additional PCCF and Manipur Lane Resources Department Secretary were also attended at the review meeting. Further conveying that the members of Red Cross Senapati District Branch also called on Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla and apprised the challenges in carrying out their humanitarian duties in the region. The press release added that the governor assured members of Red Cross Senapati District Branch that their concerns will be addressed.